Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today I'm going to be doing a beginner's eyeshadow tutorial, so let's go ahead and get to it. Hi! How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone's doing really good. It's kind of gloomy outside again. It's been raining pretty much all day. Today we are going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is what this does look like inside. So I've gone ahead and primed my eyes. First things first, I'm going to start off by picking a crease color. I'm going to pick this color right here. It looks kind of neutral for the most part. And I'm just going to go ahead and just place that lightly in my crease and then do little swirls to buff it out. And I'm trying to do, and this is going to be a pretty neutral look today. I'm just going to buff this out. Actually, that looks really cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. And again, I'm just doing little swirls. I do a swipe back and forth kind of, and then I start doing little swirls. And it doesn't really matter the direction you're gonna do the swirls, because like I said, you're I say it like I said, I haven't said it yet. You're gonna go back and forth with it. So if you swirl one way, I would recommend going the opposite way as well. I think it really helps diffuse and buff out the edges of the color really well. And then I just want to go in here and deepen up like right on this outer edge. So I'm just going to go in here and just pop in and just grab just a little bit more. And I'm just going to place it right there and just kind of go back and forth. And then now I'm going to do those swirls again. And just buffing it out. But that's where I wanted to create my depth, for it to look a little darker there. I'm just going to tap in here and go in just a little bit right there, but I'm also going to bring it right in here. There we go. That looks good. Doing some swirls just to buff it out a little bit. Excellent. Cool. Next I'm going to go into this bronzy shade here, and I'm literally going to put this all over my eyelid, like all over my eyelid. And I will say most shimmers are definitely best applied with a finger. And, you know, even maybe with a glitter primer down as well. NYX has a great glitter primer. I highly, highly recommend. It's at a reasonable price, and a little goes a very, very long way with it as well. And I'm making sure I'm getting this really close to my lashes. And it does look like it did get a little bit of fallout here on my face, but I have a little fan I can either blow it away with, or I'll just use a fluffy brush and just swipe it. Especially since I do already actually have like a foundation down before I do my eyes, which is unusual for me. And now that I have this down all over my lid, I'm gonna go back into that crease brush, and I'm just gonna take it at this kind of more flatter angle rather than the wide angle. Take it a little flatter angle, and I'm just gonna go right on that line where the two colors are meeting, just so that they will blend and kind of buff out. And then now I'm gonna take the wide side of it and just slightly do little swirls to diffuse that edge even more for a seamless line between your crease color and your lid color. So let's go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. And I'm just tapping this onto my lid, and I'm just kind of going up to where it meets that crease color. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to take this flatter side first And just wiggle that in there. And then I'll take the wider side and just buff it out lightly. And you can see how this side's a little darker in here where this side's a little lighter. I'm just going to go and touch that up. And I'm going to just kind of lightly dip back in to it, into that first brown shade we used, and just kind of place it right in there with a light buff. Buffing motion. Just like that. Oh, perfect. Oh, this looks super cute. I really, really like this. Okay, I think, okay, let's put a little bit of the crease color under our bottom lashes, just to kind of bring everything in. And I'm just going lightly back and forth on my under eye, just for a light little buff out, and then the same thing on the other eye. I'm actually just going to take that same bronzy color and put it on my inner corner, because there's not really like another warm shimmer like this, but a lighter, like there's no like warm light shimmer in here. Like this is it. The other ones are very white based and or like cool based, or like pink, or have like a purple undertone. None of them have like a goldeny yellow bronzy undertone to match this. So here we are, putting this on my inner corner instead, the same color, which is fine. It actually looks really cute because it's very reflective, so it does have a nice like catch on the light to make it look really nice and bright. And I'm just like packing it on a little excessively on this inner corner because I can. And then I'm gonna lightly touch up my eyes. And you can also take some setting sprays and spray your brushes down, and then go into the shadow and then pick it up, and it'll place a little better on the eyelid as well, because it'll be more of like a wet application. Be right back with mascara and eyeliner on. Alrighty, so this does complete today's beginner's eyeshadow tutorial. I hope you guys learned something new and had a good time. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!